Hello. SAP's Cloud Platform Workflow Management is a cloud service offering of the extension suite with its capabilities to digitize business processes through a low-code, no-code workflow, automate business processes, manage decision logic, and gain end-to-end visibility on live running processes. It also provides a single view of all tasks using My Inbox solution. SAP's Cloud Platform Workflow Management integrates well with SAP and non-SAP applications through SAP's Cloud Platform integration. It is also tightly integrated with SAP's intelligent robotic process automation to automate unstructured tasks like reading an attached invoice, login to third-party system, etc. It also integrates with conversational AI, the chatbot building platform, to be able to easily integrate and build enterprise-ready chatbots to elevate productivity of business users. SAP's Cloud Platform Workflow Management content can be published on SAP API Business Hub so that the business users can leverage these from Process Flexibility Cockpit. So all in all, it helps customers to do more with less, ensure compliance, and to flexibly adapt to new requirements, fix broken processes for business resilience. Now let's take a closer look at one such live content package, visibility on order to cash. Order to cash is a set of business processes that involves receiving and fulfilling customer requests. So basically managing everything from sales order right through customer payments. To start with, customer places an order. Order is fulfilled, shipped, invoice generated, sent to customer. Customer makes the payment and payment is recorded. So you see, every process step is critical and thus requires complete transparency to be able to react quickly to make best informed decisions needed to lower the cost and maximize profitability, thereby improving customer satisfaction. True optimization of order to cash cycle requires end-to-end view of the entire process, but there could be challenges due to limited visibility into business operations, unable to identify process bottlenecks to improve time to delivery, and thus leading to depleting levels of customer satisfaction and so on. Let's now understand how these challenges are addressed with the process workspace capability by diving straight into the demo. So here what you see are the potential performance indicators which can help a business user gain deeper insights into the KPIs like how many customer orders were completed without violations or rejected with some reason, say bad credit history or deferred payments. What you can also notice is the order fulfillment cycle time, which looks okay, the delivery cycle time, which is more or less consistent across different categories, so nothing alarming. You can also gain insight into open order value, orders for which no delivery was yet made, and you can see the spikes month, week wise. There's a gradual rise, then a sharp rise, or then a steep fall. Another interesting KPI to look at are the open order items. So how many orders are open and running into critical or at risk status, which might need an attention. So let's dive deep into this and take a closer look. So here you can see around 8 open order items that are listed as critical with credit check denied. Let's take further deeper look into one of such customers, Petty Associates. So here you can see all the details like the phases the customer order went through, the path the order took, and if any action triggered recorded in the action logs. What is alarming to note here that the customer Petty Associates may be unaware of its order status credit check denied, which is as good as credit hold, and also the cycle time has exceeded unreasonably, thus making this order very critical. So this is something not so good and therefore needs an action, maybe from customer account manager. So the business user triggers this action, which gets recorded in the action log. Once the customer account manager is notified via a task in his inbox, he would probably now suggest some mitigation plan around this open order item. It could be probably a need to set up a call with the customer insisting on advance payment since his credit check is denied, or maybe also having a discussion with the accounts receivable teams. So once he is convinced with his proposed solution, he completes the task and sends it for review to the next level. The solution plan goes to the reviewer. In this demo, to avoid switching between users, we are using the same user as reviewer. So a reviewer receives a task in his inbox and then he goes through the proposed solution or the mitigation plan. If he is convinced with the solution, he might accept or else reject. So you see how a business expert user can gain visibility on the complete process and also take appropriate actions well on time. Let's now see how we can discover and consume the visibility capabilities of this live content package Order to Cash. In the SAP API Business Hub, you'll find the new content for workflow management. You see already today there are live content packages published, and one such package is visibility on Order to Cash. Upon provisioning or subscription of SAP's Cloud Platform Workflow Management in the Cloud tenant, you can consume this package via the Process Flexibility Cockpit. You can discover the packages connecting to API Business Hub. Here all the live packages are listed. You can take a closer look in the package that you are interested, say visibility on Order to Cash, understand its offerings, go through the artifacts, understand the potential performance indicators, and once you are convinced, you can import it into your environment. After the import, as line of business user, you can adapt the visibility scenario to get live dashboard out of box based on the business needs. The package visibility on Order to Cash comes with a pre-configured visibility scenario and potential performance indicators as we just saw. Now that we know this and have imported it into our environment, let's step in to see what the visibility scenario is all about. So here you see all the related contexts and events that represents the complete cycle of Order to Cash from sales order to customer payments. You can define states indicating when the process is completed or abruptly ended. You can define statuses that help classify if the sales order is running critical or at risk or on track. You can also define an action depending on the situation, as we just saw in the demo. User can choose to trigger a cloud platform workflow or can navigate to any other application. Finally, you can also set the necessary potential performance indicators, and you can give different visualizations in the form of bar chart, donut chart, column chart, etc. In short, you can add or modify the performance indicators to suit the business use case. So you see how this live content package of visibility on Order to Cash can help a business user gain end-to-end insights, convert these insights to actions, thus providing a competitive edge by identifying bottlenecks well on time. That was a deep dive in visibility scenario of Order to Cash. You can discover more live content packages on api.sap.com. Thank you.